Hi, and welcome to this edition of Face to Face. With me is Firebrand Congress leader Reginald Lorenzo. You must have all seen him in the assembly and outside. Welcome, Reginald. Now, Reginald has been in the forefront of taking up a lot of issues during this COVID lockdown period. And we are here to talk with him on a few of these and what he feels the status of Goa is under the cloud of the coronavirus. Reginald, could you give us in brief what you feel? You are the man on the ground, you have been on the ground. Could you give us a feel of what is happening under this COVID lockdown?
See, there are 2-3 phases which we went through from the day the lockdown started. From the day the whole fact of the COVID-19 came into being. First phase was the few phase. Soon after lockdown, there was, fear in the minds of the people. What was the fear? The fear was that how many days a lockdown? Kara hosta Andoria. I'm kitkotlay. Mukar 3 min bidawsat, 2 min bidawsat. Andoria. So लोकांनी कितले पयस पडून सालवा केल्यो, वस्त काडल्यो, घरां हाडल्यो, 2-3 म्हयने स्टॉक केल्यो.
There was panic buying.
That is in that place. Government failed there. Governmentan थिंगा corrective steps घेवना म्हूण तें panic जालें. आनी जोतर सारके steps घेयले, and I was there from day one. I am a permanent visitor and a permanent almost employee of Collectorate South Goa. You have to appreciate the services of the people. जे कोणी काम केलां न्ही त्या टायमाचेर, you have to appreciate them. तांकां बरें खबर नासतना वो खबर आसतना कोणाक मेळ्ळें तें परमिशन दिलें आनी कितें केलें पयलीं देर बेर बंद करून पासून काम केलां, राती काम केलां. कलेक्टरान तो सांगूंक नाका. ही इज लायक ही इज लायक अ कंप्युटर. तें बटन ऑन केलो तो काम करूंक लागता. आतां स्टाफ पासून सगळे डेप्युटी कलेक्टर्स नाव नॉर्थ गोवा आय डोंट नो, बट everybody worked. And in the first phase where they failed was essential services दिवपाक, permission दिवपाक आनी कितें करपाक. Collectorate worked, but the man on top तेगे डायरेक्शन सार जावपा जाय आसलें. तेगे डायरेक्शन जर सारकें जालें ना आनी सारकें जालोलें सार जालें ना म्हण इमेज जालोलें जाल्यार सारकें बरें स्मूथ फ्लो फर्स्ट फेज जाताली, सेकंड फेज स्मूथ जाताली, थर्ड फेज स्मूथ जाताली. रेशन हें केलें, रेशनिंग दिलें. रेशनिंग सिस्टम the top fellows don't know. ग्रेस्तांक दिताय, गरिबांक गरजेवंतांक दिनाय.
It really happened like that?
One second. ते registration पण जालां. बिलो APL आनी बिलो हें सारकें जालें ना. ताका लागून हांव सदां म्हणटालो चोय सारकें करया, गरजेवंतांक मेळों जाय. तेंचे मदीं फियर जाल्या. Now see, the IAS officers don't know what is the ground level. See, this is where they failed. That's why I'm saying the man on top should have paid attention and get. I'm not blaming Chief Minister or I'm not blaming. तेको जायना तें delegate करपा जाय आसलें. आमी जर तर criticize केलां, we have made sure to tell him even every day, give us responsibility. We are also there with you.
As
Delegate powers.
As opposition.
Yes.
But you all were not taken.
No way. Meeting is सुद्धा आपयना credit आम मेळत. He has made a mistake. Here is no question of credit. Like on the day one I told him, you have an opportunity to become a Chief Minister of Goa or Chief Minister of the BJP. And he ended up to be the Chief Minister of BJP, not the Chief Minister of Goa.
Now that is not a very nice thing actually, because ultimately you are the Chief Minister of Goa, right? So basically, Reginald took that there was a disconnect between the top and what is actually happening on the ground. The people on the ground were doing their work.
Yes, what
but
has
they have no
happened
direction.
CM जर आज की तो लेता है सकल trickle जाएना. Collector doesn't know what CM has spoken. People were taking clips of his and showing the collector. See, the Chief Minister has spoken. See,
but directions are not going.
Nah, see, you can't blame him because the situation is such. What he has done is a good job.
Yes.
But there is always, that little, you call it perfectionist. Oh, if you don't be a perfectionist, but be a good guy. That gap he could not fill.
The slip between the cup and the lip. Okay, Reginald, looking at that, just a small example on this thing, slip between the cup and the lip. is one issue which you have been, you've taken it up, the seafarer issue. So you feel there also there was
Yes.
a lot of gap, disconnect, whatever you may want to call it. You feel
See, they
because
somehow
it's ultimately reached in court now.
ultimately they gave a impression to the public. There's something which is called perception in politics. That perception was they just didn't want to bring them. The talk was that because of 20,000 and 30,000 of people, why spoil 5 lakh people?
Is that true? But?
Yes,
Sorry to interrupt.
yes,
Was
yes.
it actually true?
No, that was the what was projected by them.
Okay.
See, ultimately, people are not fools. They look in between the lines. They read in between the lines. So, हे भाशेन जालें की ते आडपाक वचोन नाय तांकां कित्याक ते थोड्यांनी फेसबुकाचेर पोस्ट करपाक लागले तांकां कितें आडपा जाय नॉट करेक्ट इट इज नॉट करेक्ट क्वॉरंटायन हांवें ताका सांगलेलें पयले स्वातेर प्लीज डोंट इंटरफियर इन दॅट क्वॉरंटायन इश्यू तो तुका म्हारग पडटलो इल बिकम अ स्कॅम आनी आज अल्टिमेटली इज गोईंग टुडेज लेटस्ट रिपोर्ट्स आर हॉटेल पासून सिलेक्ट जाता आय थिंक एजंट हुई 20% मागता
Are you serious?
Yes. I don't have official report, but I'm making a charge because I've got informations. Hotels person select करवा पैसे मांगते हैं. See, this will. Manor Parrikarak, when he was chief minister in 2012, I was the first fellow to say for him. What I said for him? I said, "Choya, or footing mon. U-turn दाता mon. My U-turn master म्हणले का आहे म्हणले का. पण आनी एक गोष्ट सांगला आहे. पोलिसाक म्हाका रिपोर्टर आसताले. अरे तू कितें पर्रीकरा तुज्यान म्हणपाक आयदोळ मनशाको. हांवें सांगलें ताका आज हांव म्हणटा आनी 2 नर्सांनी सगळें म्हटलें म्हूण ते भाशेन हांव स्कॅम म्हणीत आहा आज हांव म्हणटा आनी 1-2 दिसांनी लोक म्हणटलो हांव बंद जातलो दॅट इज द ट्रूथ यू टेक माय वर्ड्स तूं आज बरोवन धर ह्या इंटरव्यू रिकॉर्ड करून धर हांवें म्हणलो म्हयना
You are on record. You are on record anyway.
anyway but he need to be careful. See, he can't as a chief minister he has to be a master of his spoken words.
See, just to add a little bit to this, the other day.
Mind you, I am quite a good supporter of his. He may be from the BJP. I got people from my constituency also. I have got some fellows also telling me I am close to Chief Minister. I am not saying I am far from Chief Minister. I support him. And I supported him because he was a young guy. We have always had that issues of grandfathers.
Especially in your party.
So I used to always support a young guy. So I am still supporting him. I want him to have the correction path. There is no harm making mistakes. There is no harm. But correction path.
Yeah, just to add a little bit to this charge of yours. Now, the other day, the seafarers were telling me that how the government, they were asking how the government has reached a figure of 2,500 for paid quarantine. How they have reached the figure? When all hotels are closed, there is no business. You can get attached room for 1,000 and under that act of theirs, they could have got it even cheaper, right? So why the government has fixed a rate of 2,500? This is a question asked to me. I said, this is a question that you need. He said, yeah, we've asked everybody. Nothing. Nobody seems to have an answer. No, 2,500. Now, can you share some light on this?
तो 20% मागत मग. See, all this, what I am saying, what people are saying, these jigs will fall in place and everybody
Not
will
people,
start.
seafarers. These are
Seafarers, let them
The
come.
party.
ते सगळे उलयतले. तांकां पडे त्रास केले न्ही आनी तांकां पडे तेजे प्रेशर घायला तांकां पडे फॅमिलीचे पडे तेंगे प्रेशर केला न्ही they don't even know. The chief minister and the administration doesn't even realize how much thank Tras Kerete. They have suffered for 41 days, 50 days inside one ship, one room.
Still
Coming out, even today I saw an announcement from the captain that you will be allowed from 9 to 5 in the evening on the decks. Otherwise, you will be back in your rooms after 5 months. Captain has announced, and he has announced we have got no confirmed information and good approach from the Indian authorities. We are waiting for them. Otherwise, we are till such time. Please bear with us. I have seen live recording of this on a ship. Somebody has recorded and sent to me. See, they are going into lot of stress. Their families.
Yeah.
आमकां अजून देखून कळलो ना तें कितू त्रास जाले ते आमी तेंगे स्वातेर ना हांव सदां म्हणटा तुका जालो ना तुका कळलो ना म्हूण आनी तुमी आरश्या घरां रावताय दुसऱ्या घरांचे हातोर मारनाकाय दुसऱ्या सांगनाकाय ऑपोजिशन इश्यू कोत्ता ऑपोजिशन राजकारण कोत्ता म्हणनाकाय ऑपोजिशन बेकार पडना हे टायमाचेर राजकारण करपाक आनी बघू हांव
Yes, I know because we have spoken to a lot of seafarers and they are obviously they are upset because nobody seems to know how it's going to end? That's where the more
See now there are other issues. There are other issues. ते बोटीचे येत आहे 14 days क्वारंटाईन जात आहे बॉम्बे हिंग पोतून क्वारंटाईन हो
आणि 14 days.
आणि 14 days paid quarantine thing झाले already. See the stress they have got. They were on the ship. They were on places. They have been सारखे heckled आणि त्याक थिंग आडा क्वारंटाईन केला त्या हॉटेलूय बंद ना प्रॉब्लेम ना आता येता आसतना बोटीचे त्यांक परमिशन दिनाय भितर सरपा गोंयांत जस्ट इमॅजिन या बरें काल कारवारसां लोक येयलो काल कारवारसां एक फॅमिली येयल्या गोंयची बॉर्डराचेर पत्ती गेले त्यांक बरें खबर ना they don't know that they have to take permission from the Karwar border to enter. They have gone back. तो म्हाका रोडटा तो म्हणटा सिरसी साबोन येयला टॅक्सी करून 2 गाडी घेवन गांवकार म्हणलो कोण फ्रॉम दॅट टू फ्रॉम सांगे ही इज कॉलिंग मी फ्रॉम वेर ही गॉट माय नंबर आय डोंट नो तो म्हणटा आपण 2 टॅक्सी करून येयला आपणाक पयशे नाही सो हांवें ताका कितें सांगलें आज उलया तूं गेले मागीर उलय म्हाका हांव तुका परमिशन घेता आनी गाडी धाड तुका हांव हेजेर हांवें धाडटा म्हूण सांगिल्लें ताका हेल्प कोत म्हणलें पूण कोणाक सांगलां म्हूण सांगिल्लें आनी आनी कोण फोन मारतलो but how much I can help also I moko जाते को तो but important है ना but they are having solid problems and government is not doing anything to elevate the problems.
Addition to this now, since we've gone to like Gaonkar, you're saying he's a local from wherever, maybe from Karnataka, maybe from.
That's why I said Gaonkar. Te Kattamani kelna hai.
Yeah, but talking about Kattamani or Gaonkar, there are a lot of whatever you call them, the laborers in Goa who are not in the best of place. See, ultimately they are not educated. It's a panic mentality, hate mentality.
Thank OTP and message and the online. They don't know anything.
No, yes.
People have exploited them.
Yes.
Now I'm telling the Chief Minister, migrant issue chair, please see that they go fast. Do something about them.
They're walking.
Poor fellows. We can't bear the heat outside a room. आमच्यान बायलान वचोन वत घेवपा जायना त्या भायर भुरग्यांक घेवन हांदार सामान मन वता काडी जिलेशें आसपा जाय आमकां. We can't be so ruthless.
And the funny part is that like I get calls, I don't know from where they get my number, but I get calls from 8 o'clock in the morning, we are here, we are there. Now most of them are not aware that na ticket book करपा जाय. We have to explain, अरे ticket कौन book होता है, तेश को number etlo, and then you will get a registration, then you will get a vehicle. They say no, we are walking to the station and we are there, we send them back. And some of them are not reached. The number of trains.
Forget about all
it's
that.
It's around 32 गेले, 70 still left. Now in 2 months 32 गेले.
आणि एक very important point. हांव गोंयांक गोंयकार हाडो भोंवता कलेक्टरान. आमगे आमदार ते पड कोण लायनी हाय नी मायग्रंट्स ट्रेनीचे चडपाकू तेंक काडन आपणांगे मायग्रंट्स घाल मु फोन मारताय आमगेले थोडे इलेक्टेड रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्हस आय ते हाय फाय इलेक्टेड रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्स ऑफ गोवा तेंक गोंयकारांक हाडपा पडलो ना इवन जे कोण त्रास घेवन लायनी हाय तेंक काडन आपणांगे मनशांक घाल म्हणपा आमगे हाय तेंगे दूख सोमना तेंकां
बट वाय बट कितें बट
वाय आनी कितें आपणांगे वोटर न्ही ते तेंक वोट मारलो आनी तेणे तेंको रेशन कार्ड आहा हें सगळें लिंक आहा न्ही
गोवा
तेंको गोंयांत हान थिंगाय आहा आनी आमगे एकला आनी मायकल लोबो म्हणटनी कितें वॉट ही सेयींग तेका पीपल हॅव नॉट गॉन अब्रॉड दे आर नॉट मायग्रंट्स म्हणटनी तो कितें म्हणटा समथींग लायक दॅट ही सेड नो आय एम प्लीज डोंट आय डोंट नो द एक्झॅक्ट वर्ड्स बट समथींग लायक दॅट आय थॉट ही सेड तेंक बड्या थिंग ते हिंग पासपोर्ट सरेंडर करून येताय हेंका मायग्रंट हिंगाय वोट आहा आनी थिंगाय वोट आहा हिंगाय रेशन कार्ड आहा थिंगाय रेशन कार्ड आहा तो विसरता एनीवे I don't want to go into much detail, but what is happening is bad. The Chief Minister should act fast, should finish, should send them whoever is going, let them go, make arrangements for them, do whatever you want. Talk to your Chief Minister, Madhya Pradesh to गेले, Uttar Pradesh and to गेले BJP government to है, Chief Minister उठान फोन मार पाता. आणि last if not the least, please remember आमगे सगळे लोक भायर आहे कुवेट सा फोन येता है आमी कॅम्पान आहे आमगे विजा एक्सपायर जाले आमकां विजा एक्सपायर जाली काय ना तेंकां इन्शुरन्स मेळना हाल आम कितें जालें जाल्यार आमकां हॉस्पिटलान दिवंक घेवपा ना आम भायर दोतले म्हूण they are the worst sufferers and Maharashtra and सगळ्यांनी all states have started bringing their people and आमगे Goa government is bloody gone to sleep. This is the height of treatment of a good citizen of the state and the country.
Reginald, let me interrupt you and let's go into a small break. Okay. And now let us take a short break. Welcome back. Reginald, you were quite vociferous in the first part of what are the issues. Now, I want to know one thing. We know the problems. Plus, what should be done? What needs to be done to try and sort out these issues? Because it looks as if COVID is here to stay, at least for some time, and maybe who knows, maybe
Okay,
for a
just
longer
before
period.
that, I'll interrupt you one small thing.
Okay.
Regarding quarantine, I also want to tell you that some of the seafarers are coming today. They are coming to Mumbai.
Okay.
Why they should come to Mumbai? They should be directly quarantined here.
To Goa.
Yes, they should be quarantined to go. We got so many facilities. I've been telling the chief minister from day one when lockdown started, prepare your quarantines, everything, make a dossier of which hotels you're going to. They took it so lightly. Now I want the chief minister to step in. I'm writing a letter to him. Step in and get those fellows to Goa. It is your job. You are the chief minister. You are the custodian of the state. Act. Don't wait for somebody to say it. That should be the motto. म्हणजे आपल्यागे लोकां मोग जाताले न्ही आपल्यान कितें करपा जाता हें एक मॅसेज धाड गोंयांत. Well, you were on some point.
Yeah. What I'm saying, what needs to be done? It's a well taken point. Of course, Chief Minister is the head of the state. Ultimately, people are going to hold him responsible. Totally we agree.
Yeah, the good part also as well as the bad part.
Whatever.
Bad
And
come,
today
always remember, in politics, the bad is highlighted more than that.
yeah, it happens
Yeah,
in life also.
yeah.
But now, what needs to be done? What needs to be the way forward? What is the way forward? What are the solutions? What needs to be done?
See, I wrote to him one letter and I told him, identify people who are the worst sufferers. Put somebody in charge. For example, like I told him in seafarers, put an independent body there. Don't listen to anybody. He never listened to me. Now also I am telling him. I hope somebody tells him from here what I am speaking. I am just telling him, put one body, put some important people, knowledgeable people who will identify who requires support. सगळ्यांक support जायो. Taxi driverank, बारीक operatorrank, बारीक machinist, बारीक tea chai vendors, गाडा, सगळ्यांक बारीक मनशांक बारीक बिझनेस करताले तांकां सगळ्यांक हें जाय पॅकेज जाय. आतां कोणा पयलीं दितलो कोणाक वाचीस ना आनी हांव मागोतां हांव पोत्तून सांगता ताका तें पॅकेज BJP सेंटर्ड कोन्न नाका आनी आय हॅव अ फिलींग ही वील डू इट अल्टिमेटली बिकॉज द वे थिंग्स आर गोईंग अबाउट तें BJP सेंटर्ड पार्टी सेंटर्ड आपल्यागे फायदो करपाक हो टायम न्ही. गरजीवंतांक हेल्प करपाक इम्पॉर्टंट एज अ चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ द स्टेट. I hope he doesn't fail me there also. But identify कोणा दिवपाचें कितको पॅकेज दिवपाची कोणाक आयडियर घे. ऑपोजिशन आमकोडे ओपिनियन घे सगळ्यांक ओपिनियन घे. टेक अ जस्ट एंड फेअर डिसिजन एंड यू विल सक्सीड. दिस इज माय वे फॉरवर्ड. आपल्यागे मनशां दिनाका आनी एक गोश्ट कोणाक कितली दिवपाचें तें देखून आयडेंटिफाय कोन्नी. पॅकेज येता तुमकां एग्रीकल्चराक त्रास दिवचो पडटलो. हे पाटी शेतां बेतां चड लोक रोयतलो ताका मेशिनरी कितें जाय आनी कितें जाय तें रेडी कर. स्टाफ ना आनी कितें ना रेडी कर. तुमकां जायना हांव हेल्प करपाक. वी आर देर विथ यू.
Yes,
we are there.
You have been
I am
involved in
opposition.
agriculture.
I am an opposition.
No, opposition, okay, but you've been involved in agriculture.
Yes, I will help you. Let's sit together. Let us do some things. हाल्यां लोकांक शेत रोयलें जाल्यार तांकां बी मेळपा जाय. आतां बी ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट केलां आपल्यागे मनशांक दिवपाक आपल्या पार्टी मनशांक दिवपाक ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट केलें. बी उणी पडटलें ना तें चोय. आतां हें एक्ट जावपा लाग. आम गुजार कोर आमी आहाय तुजे बरोबर. वी वील नॉट इंटरप्ट. आमगे गोंयच्या मातयेचेर आमगे गोंयच्या लोकांक कितें त्रास जाता जाल्यार आमी एक्ट करपाक आमगे सॅक्रिफायस करपाक लायफ देखून रेडी आहाय. बट डू इट. एग्रीकल्चर वन साइड, बिजनेस वन साइड. कोणा पडे बेनिफिट आहा ते तिनी सायडीन तिनी घे स्टेक होल्डरांक घे. कम विथ अ जस्ट डिसिजन. डोंट टेक मिटिंग्स. डोंट लिसन टू देम एंड कीप क्वायट. एक्टिंग सारकें जावपा जाय. इफ यू एक्ट वेल दीस वील बी द सोल्युशन एंड वी वील टेक द स्टेट मुखार. तेगे प्लॅन जावपा जाय तो. नाजाल्यार 2000 आतां आमी 2021 कितको मुखार वयतले तें तेगे सारकें बेज जावपा जाय. क्वॉरंटायन टुरिजम जावपा जायना हो. आनी आतां 1 तारखेर सगळें ओपन जाता. सो एक्ट फास्ट. पूट द स्टेट. वी एज ऑपोजिशन वी आर विथ यू. लेट अस जॉइन टुगेदर टू डू इट.
Okay, I get your point, but I want you to elaborate much a little on a broader. Now are you saying that the businesses need to be given money, or the businesses and businessmen and people need to be given support, and the chief minister, okay, the administration and the government is headed by the chief minister, so I'm saying chief minister, and the chief minister needs to start acting now or not wait for the lockdown to get over. What are you trying to say?
सो कितें जाता तुमी कोण तुगे मनशा तूं हेल्प करता जाल्यार तेका पयशे दिवपा जाय न्ही
जायनाय म्हणटा तूं,
पयशे
not
दिवपा
enough.
तेका मेशनरी दिवपा जाय इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर दिवपा जाय तेका इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चरान तेणे म्हणनासतना तुवें म्हणपा जाय बिजनसाक ट्रस्ट दिवपाक आयडेंटिफाय करून बऱ्या मनशान जर तर घेवन मुखार गेलो हें काम करूं शकतलो तूं नाल्यार तुका जाचना हें यू विल एंड अप गिवींग द रॉंग पीपल हू विल डू नथींग एंड हू विल मेस इट अप मोर वयल्यान इश्यू जातलो रॉंग मनशान दिलो म्हूण सो तेका लागून आय एम टायम एंड अगेन सेयींग put some people on the job, you alone cannot do it. Put somebody who will guide you well. I'll give a small example. I am not going into details because I am not a business-minded fellow, not economics guy. If required, we will become economics. We will get advice from people and do it. But then, तेका कितें लागता तेका हें इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर आतां भाजी रोयतलो एक दोन कडेन बरो स्टोरेज हें कर स्पेंड मनी फॉर स्टोरेज ती आमगे जो तरी भाजी जातली ती स्टॉक करपाक खूंय धाडपाक कितें करपाक ती जो तरी मेडिसीन जातली तें कितें करतलो आनी कितें करतलो खुंयच फॅक्टरी गरजे थंयच आहाय त्यो चोय गिव ट्रस्ट टू दॅट तें कितें लागता तें आतां मिशनरी लागतली आमी शेत रोयतले ट्रॅक्टर राखले आनी कितें लागतलें तें रेडी कर मनीस हाड तें रेडी कर आतां आतां बिजनसमॅनाक कोणाक चाय दुकानाक तें कितें लागतलें put them on the road map how to go up आणि इकॉनॉमिक्स कर आणि व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट ट्रस्ट फॅक्टर एग्रीकल्चरा म्हणटा तें काम करूंक पडटलें न्यू मॅथड्स हाडपाक आतां भाजी रोवपाक आनी कितें रोवपाक तेंकां ऑलरेडी देर इज ना कांय ना एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंटान आतां कांय ना बाबा तूं रोयलें जाल्यार तूं कितें मेळटलें किचन गार्डन करतलें आनी कांय ना
But it can be done. It's not so difficult, is it?
There is a lot of difference between can be done and it is done.
The will to be done.
will ना ते कितको पयशे येतले आनी ते कितको म्हटले ते चड जाल्यार फेल जातलें बट काम करपाक आमी रेडी हे टायम एंड अगेन सांगता बियॉन्ड पार्टी लायन चल आनी म्हजे सदांच्या जे आमगे काँग्रेसमॅन सदां म्हणटाय हांव म्हणटाय ते बीजेपी को कोण बरो कोण चीफ मिनिस्टर कितें म्हणटे म्हण आमी काम करपाक रेडी
Yeah, but just going back on agriculture, you have experience because we have seen your work, what you do in Kurtori. So you feel this.
मोड्डां रोयतली मोड्डां रोवपाक खंयच तारखेर पासून रोवपा जाय तांकां सीड्स मेळटले काय म्हूण तांकां पयलीं प्रोटेक्ट करपा जाय सी आयडेंटिफायींग पीपल हू वील डू मोड्डां आनी तेका सीड्स पावपाचें हें गव्हर्मेंटाची ड्युटी जावपा जाय तांकां ट्रॅक्टर जाय तें जावपा जाय मागीर दुसरी पीक मातशी लेट जातली तांकां मेळटलें काय ना मेट्री मागीर नेक्स्ट स्टेपाची आमी हार्वेस्टिंग करपाक आमकां कॅपेसिटी आसतली ना मागीर स्टेप बाय स्टेप फर्स्ट स्टार्ट समवेर प्रिपेर युअर सेल्फ भाजी रोयल्यार तुका भाजी हुमकी जातली भाजी कितें रिक्वायरमेंट आहा खंयची भाजी होपता ती भाजी रोवपा लाया त्या फार्मराक रेडी करपा जाय बाबा तूं कॅबेज रोय तूं कोण कॅरट रोय तूं आनी कितें रोय आमकां तें भायर सावन हाडूं नाका पयशे मेळटले तुका हें जावपा जाय एनीवे आय कांट से एनीथिंग मोर दॅन दीस
What about fish? Because you'll have fish farming also.
फिश फार्मिंग आहा ज्यो मुशी आहाय तांकां स्ट्रेंथन कर तुमी इलिगल रेंव काडून लायताय आनी ते बांद सगळे मेकळे केले ते बांद हे पासावत वचपाचे रेंव इलिगल रॅम्पंट चलता ओली गॉड सेव्ड अस हे मायग्रंट्स गेले घरा हे लेबर गेले घरा आनी रेंव उण जाले नाल्यार सक्शन मशीन चालू आहाय गोंयांत इलिगल ते सायडीन मायनींग इलिगल करपा जाय म्हूण हेंकाय इलिगल करपा दिता हेंक स्टॉप केले ते सगळे एकठांय जातले आनी तेजे चडले न्ही मायनिंगाचेरी सोरांगे धंदो जाला एनीवे गोंय चालवा करे तुमी कितें कोत तें करे हाय ना मोर आय बट गोंय चालवा करे
But again, now let's get back to the fish.
नुस्त्याक पडे हा तें those fish ponds and all that put them in order.
It's possible because we don't have fish.
Identify places कितको आम हाडले ते ट्रॉलर देखो आमकां ट्रॉलर जो तर हें कोतले तांकां लोकली विकपा लाया एक्सपोर्ट तें हें कोर नाका डू समथींग गेट द पीपल हू विल हेल्प यू टू डू इट तुका सगळें जायना आय अंडरस्टँड चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑल्सो इज एलोन ही कॅनॉट डू इट पुट समबडी ऑन द जॉब डू इट
Subsidies we give more than 30% to trawlers. That is our money.
Subsidy आम जाय तोच दिताय ट्रॉलरांक कितें नाही वी कांट सिलेक्ट दोस
No, but let the fish come to Goa, no?
Correct.
Yesterday I went to just before to check. I went 200 rupees 5 bangade.
वय तें आतां सहाय करूं जाय न्ही तें गव्हर्मेंटाक काम न्ही तें सहाय करपाक
नीज तें भायर
one
घेवन
most
वयतले
important
सहाय
place
केश जातलें तें?
one important place they failed to give people essential commodities at good prices. The Marwadis and I am not naming anybody, those who had shops, they fleeced people.
Initially.
The first people. There the government failed and even now is failing. कोण कोण रस्त्याचेर हिंगताय कोण कितें कितें कोत्ताय तेका एक सिस्टम करूं जाय चॅक आसपा जाय आमगे आहाय ते तेंकोडे इवन वयर चल जाल्यार सकयल ऑफिसर आहाय तेय लागले तेंका सगळ्यांक कित्याक लागून तो टॉप टू द लायन इज यू नो इट इज लायक हे न्ही
Or it may be
गांतोंडी
just opportunity, no?
their attack. So all these things are required. Take our advice. We are there. We are not complaining. Even here, if I am spoken from my heart, I have not done it. I have done it because I felt hurt. I felt that the people should get it, and I'm here to tell you that do something for our people. Even your people, tu BJP लोकांकूय कोर, but कोर. गोंयकारांक न्याय दी. Whatever it is, businessan आतां even package दिता आसतना एकूच package दिता आसतना मातशें बरी package दिल्या पुरो कोणाक गरजेवंतांक पावता हांव कोणा सिलेक्ट करून हांवें म्हणटा म्हणलें टॅक्सीवाल्या म्हणलें आवय मुझे बो मातलें आय डोंट वॉन्ट दॅट टू हॅपन आय एम सेयींग आयडेंटिफाय पीपल हेल्प देम एसेंशियल सर्वीस एंड वॉट इज द वे फॉरवर्ड आतां कोवीड इज कन्सिडर्ड टू बी हे परमनंट तेक स्टेप्स घेवपाक भुरग्यांक कितको प्रोटेक्ट करतलो वॉट इज द वे फॉरवर्ड हॉस्पिटलांत तूं कितको केअर घेतलो वॉट इज द वे फॉरवर्ड start working, have a plan in place for every department, get those people to sit down and prepare a plan, take review meetings and put things in perspective. हुई पैसे आतूक पॅकेज येतली हुई गरजे आहा थिंग मोडो लाग नाक थिंग मेळ नाका आनी इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर पेटे को नाका सी I don't know. I can't tell more. I myself, I think I'll close.
Reginald, thanks a lot for bringing up these issues which are close to the heart of Goans. Problems faced by Goans and issues of which are close to Goa and for Goa's success, especially under this COVID crowd, Reginald. Like agriculture, fish. We need our rice, we need our bhaji, we need our fish. Thanks a lot, Reginald. And keep watching Face to Face.